The World Without Us, the abandoned sites overrun by nature. Nature Reclaiming, French photographer Romain Veillon's latest book Green Urbex, The World Without Us features stunning images of a number of deserted sites that have been overtaken by nature, such as this former castle in Wallonia, Belgium. Photo Project, the photographs were all shot during the last 10 years, Veillon tells CNN via email. The book, is really a mix of all the places I have been documenting since I started. The photographer took this image of a crumbling manor house in France in 2020. Natural Tunnel, Tunnel of Love, a disused section of industrial railway situated near Klevin in Ukraine, was originally planted to conceal a military base during the Cold War. It's since become a popular tourist spot, and is also favored by couples taking romantic walks. Historic Building, the abandoned fruit exchange building in UK city Liverpool also features in Green Urbex, The World Without Us. Forgotten Rooms, the photographer was able to capture the beautifully painted walls and frescoes on display at this crumbling villa in Tuscany. Overgrowing Landscapes, this image of Japan's Nara Dreamland, was taken over a decade after the theme park closed in 2006. Incredible Architecture, the Aegidium movie theater in Belgium is currently undergoing restoration work. Environmental Focus, Veillon hopes the haunting images will serve as a reminder of the necessity to live in harmony with our habitat. Abandoned Castle, the Château de la Montchandonnières, a deserted French castle, dates back to the 13th century. Pool Closed, a neglected Edwardian swimming pool at Moseley Road Baths in UK city Birmingham. Ruined Suite, the remains of a French hotel room overrun with vegetation in the region of Ile-de-France. Unique Landmark, Bezludza, an abandoned Soviet monument in Bulgaria, was one of Veillon's favorite places to photograph. Forsaken Properties, Veillon captured this disused hotel in Brandenburg, Germany back in 2016. Permanently shut, Constanta Casino in Romania has been designated as a historic monument by the Romanian Ministry of Culture and National Patrimony. Spooky Scene, this image of the ghost town of Kalmanskap in Namibia was taken in 2013.